Hi there, today we're checking out the Tatub 24-inch folding TV tray table, made from durable bamboo with a sleek espresso finish. This versatile C-shaped table slides easily under your couch or bed, saving space while keeping your coffee, books, or laptop within reach. It's lightweight and foldable, making it perfect for moving around and storing when not in use. The adjustable feet help keep it stable on uneven floors without causing any scratches. With a sturdy frame and metal connections, it supports up to 50 pounds safely without tipping. Assembly is quick and simple with clear instructions and a screwdriver included. Whether you need a sofa side table, a laptop desk, or a dining spot, this Tatub table offers convenience and style for any room. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.